This video explains how to buy shares of Akanda Corp on NASDAQ, traded under the ticker AKAN. Akanda Corp operates in industrial technology and manufacturing, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To place an order, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AKAN. Then select the matching Akanda Corp listing from the search results to open the stock page. On the Akanda Corp asset page, you will see a short company overview and the price chart. Check that the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker is AKAN to confirm it is the correct stock. To buy, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your Akanda position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the video description for the eToro link to follow these steps.